unboxing the... What's this, babe? What kind of...
That's the shark model.
Shark model. Shark model.
Made in China.
Everything now is made in China, guys. So, what we can do?
Woohoo!
Yes, the shark model corded up. Right.
Beautiful Hoover. 5-year guarantee.
So we bought this because we need to clean our new flat. So here's the manual.
I like new stuff.
We are literally adults, babe. Yeah.
Yeah.
That is so cool.
It's the best spent money ever.
So when you're adult, guys, you're literally gonna... Before, when we were kids, we just like want toys. Now this is our toys now for adults.
Lol.
Okay, that's so cool.
And this is anti-hair also. It's taking hair from the carpet.
So how are we gonna...
And it's
Is there any chance to change them? The thing in the brush? No?
Yeah, you can take the brush. You can take the... Like this. This.
Okay.
And more here. It's really good thing.
Yes. So the shark...
They have models without this thing and just charging, but it's like 200 more. Because it's, you know, like a Bluetooth thing.
Wireless.
Yeah.
Okay, we're ready to try it now. Maybe the shark will give you money from YouTube, babe, for unboxing the product.
This is, I think you can take it off.
Okay.
Alright. Alright. Okay, and this tube is going here.
Yes. Are you ready for the bed bugs now? Yeah, in that way.
I'm going to take it off this, but I don't know how.
You should read the manual, babe.
Hmm?
You should read the manual. Something here. Look.
Yes.
Here.
Oh, this is a paper. Oh, I press this and it's like this now.
Go backwards.
Hmm?
Oh no, this is like a lock.
Yeah, but how to... You know what I mean?
I need to read the manual, babe. This is like a lock, babe.
Yeah, but I press this and I can't take it back.
Wand release. Ah, okay. For this. Okay, you need to try it now, baby.
I love this Hoover.
This is the lock now, or what? Baby, how are we gonna do it now? I have to read more of the manuals. I think that's it, babe.
No. And this is for this thing.
Oh,
Okay.
got it.
Click, yeah.
Yeah, this is for the when you take it off this thing,
Yeah, take it off this.
and then you just literally just press it.
Let's go.
Okay, you ready to try it?
I think I need a sheet first.
Okay. Oh my god, I caught it in the camera. So our unboxing girl needs to go to the number 2.
Finally.
Okay, baby. Get in.
That's it.
That is a monster.
Look how much. It's just I'm not walking even. How many dust? Me? Nothing.
You need to do it now.
Oh my god. Baby, it's so dirty in this mouth. Oh.
Holy cow, baby, just don't move for a minute. That was the first time we used it, and this flat is so dirty. So, in just 20 seconds,
Look,
and
look,
that's...
the carpet is just like white.
Oh my god.
Can't believe it's so dirty here, baby. Let's go in the bedroom. Look, it's just the dust, baby.
I know.
It's just like 1 meter.
Oh my god. Oh my god, straight away.
Need to wipe here all this. That's why it's so strong.
Just put it. Oh.
dust, baby. It's not the carpet.
Same with the